guys, you are with me, the Lego Boy Veer. Today we are going to see how to build a castle. Have you guys seen a castle? Yes or no? Okay, today I'll let's start to build. So now I'm going to show you how it looks. Oof. This is our Lego castle. Now let's see how to build it. These are the pieces which we need. This is the base. These are a few red pieces and a long brown piece and a grey frame and a little maroon 12 pin Lego piece and two long red piece and one pin green piece and the windows and small grey pieces and 8 pin grey pieces and the pathway, and this is for the holder, and this is frames. These are the windows. This is the door. This is the top piece, and this is small browns, and this is two pathway entering place, and these are the side window things which we put, and this is two pin grey pieces and two fires. Let's get started. First, let's start with the base. And now we need two pieces which is 8 pin. Next, let's build the pathway. Next, let's build a frame for the window. We need these pieces. Now, let's put the window. Let's join the frame into the window. And now let's put. And the other window. And now we put. Let's build the upper frames for the window. These are the pieces which we need. Now let's build the upper floor. We need these two pieces to build the upper floor. And we need these 4 pieces to keep it on the front. Let's put some fire lights on the pathway. And here are the fire lights. And here we go. Next, let's build a door. We are going to put this inside the door frame. And here we go, the door is done. We are going to fix it over here. Let's build the upper floor now. Here comes the brown piece. And now we are going to add a frame on the front. Now let's add 2 more windows on the sides. Now let's build the sides of the window. Now let's build the roof. Let's build top of the roof. The second step is these 2 pieces to keep it over here. Now let's create the layers on the wall to make the balcony. Now let's create some more layers for the roof. We need these pieces to make the balcony on the top. Let's create 1 more layer. Now let's start with the other pieces. Next, we need these pieces to make the compound. Now let's build the compound wall for the castle. And now the castle is done. How cool does this look? We have 4 windows and the door can open, and we have fire lights, and we have balconies, which is amazing. And this castle is so good, right? And now the castle is done. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel so that you guys can make more Legos with me. Bye bye. See you on the next one.